going to go over how to organize your files and folders, starting with creating your own folders. So first off, let's go into the File Explorer, or Manila folder on the bottom taskbar. I'm going to do this within my USB drive, so that's drive D. And the easiest way to create a folder is to right-click, and when this menu comes up, hover over the New menu option and click Folder in that submenu. And then you see it pops up with a new folder. Usually it'll pop up with the words highlighted so you can type in your own name. I'm going to call this one Images. And then you left click and it stays on there. So it's always good to give folders, just like your files, names that you're going to remember, because you can search for these later. It just makes it easier for you. So then when you've got your folder created, you can put files in there by left clicking and holding down that left click button and dragging as much as you want. You see how it's highlighted? Whenever I let go, this is what's all selected at once. And I can just left click again and pull that into that new folder. Or you can do it individually, one at a time. Dragging and dropping is the easiest way. Or you can left click, hold down the control button, and then choose different ones. So if they're all not in the same area, you don't want to drag everything, just hold down that control button on your keyboard and click, and the ones that are highlighted are the ones that you'll drag. So you see here it says 5, so I've got 5 things selected, and I can put them in that Images folder and then let go. Also remember that when you're moving files within the same drive, they're actually being moved. When you're moving files to, say, a different drive, it's being copied. So that's creating a copy of those files. So at that point, they'll live in 2 locations until you delete them or do something otherwise.